Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button. Today's tutorial will be all about how to do sculpture eyebrow or razor sharp eyebrow. You're going to need Anastasia Beverly Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony. You're going to need a precision brush from Crown Brushes, a schoolie, MAC 242 brush, and an angle brush. So you're going to take some of the Brow Dip Ebony shade from Anastasia, and you're going to gently fill in the eyebrows with it. Less is more. Her product is very creamy, so the texture will glide throughout the eyebrows with ease. Next, I'll be using a lighter concealer to stencil out her eyebrows. I'm using the MAC Cosmetic 242 brush to glide throughout the eyebrows. Next, I'm using her color foundation by MAC Cosmetic Matchmaster 8.5 to highlight above her eyebrows or to contour above her eyebrows. The bottom color I think is Matchmaster 5.0. When working on the eyebrow, I constantly shade and sculpt at the same time. It is so easy when you use a 242 brush to sculpt the eyebrows. Next, to cover up the concealer, I'll be using Black Opal, Truly Topaz, and Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a true foundation color by Black Opal to conceal her concealer, but I'm using Truly Topaz on her lid because I'll be adding a lighter highlight on top of it. So I'm using Nutmeg Black Opal Stick Foundation to conceal her concealer. And I'm also blending the Nutmeg towards the Truly Topaz. Take your time when it comes to sharpening the eyebrows. This is the way you give it that razor sharp look. Next, I'll be using Nutmeg above the eyebrows to conceal her concealer. It's very important as you add the foundation to conceal the concealer, you should also blend it out to thin it out so it won't look like a thick paste above the eyebrows. Now I'm just using a regular crease brush just to thin out the ridges of the concealer or the foundation so it won't look so harsh. Okay, for the other side of the eye, you do the same thing. You get the Anastasia Brow Dip Ebony and you fill in the eyebrow gently. Less is more with that product. Now I'm using the 242 brush to sculpt above the eyebrow. The foundation or shade that I'm using is MAC Cosmetic Matchmaster 8.5. That's the closest shade to the skin tone. Now for the bottom of the eyebrow, I'll be using a lighter concealer. I think this is a Matchmaster 5.0 concealer or foundation that I use to highlight underneath the eyes eyebrows. With this 242 brush, it is easy for you to cut and sculpt the eyebrows. Remember, when doing this step, you have to sculpt, fill in, and shade at the same time to get your perfect shape, your perfect match, and your perfect blend. I spend most of the time shading the inner corner of the eyebrows to give it that fade effect. Next, I'll be using Truly Topaz for just her eyelid. Then I'll be using Nutmeg to cover up her concealer. So you will gently glide the foundation against the eyebrow to conceal the concealer. The closer or the better you hide the concealer, the better the highlight would be, or your eyebrows would be. All the product that I'm using will be listed in the description box. The brushes will be listed in the description box also. And as you can see, I formed a razor sharp eyebrow. Next, I'll be using a crease blush. Next, I'll be using a crease brush to blend out the foundation and concealer around the eyebrows. The thinner you blend it out, the more natural it'll look. And when you're almost finished, don't forget you have to sculpt and shade and make sure both eyebrows are almost even. If you can't make them twins, it's okay if you make them sister. Practice make perfect. I'm just going to throw in a quick eyeshadow and lash on her because she's going out. So this is going to be quick. Okay, y'all, this is my friend girl. She just want her eye makeup done. That's it. She going to put the rest of her makeup on. So please don't get us. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. And please drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.